Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make salad masala. Making your own salad masala at home is incredibly rewarding and ensures fresh, vibrant flavors for your dishes. We'll start by gathering some key ingredients. You'll need whole spices such as cumin seeds, coriander seeds, and black peppercorns, along with powdered spices like black salt and dried mango powder. Using fresh, high-quality spices is crucial for achieving the best possible taste in your homemade blend. Next, we'll prepare our whole spices. Gently dry roast about 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds and 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds in a pan over low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, until fragrant. Be careful not to burn them. This step is vital as it awakens their essential oils, intensifying their aroma and flavor. Once cooled, transfer the roasted spices to a spice grinder and process them into a fine, uniform powder. Now, let's blend in the other powdered ingredients to complete our masala. To your finely ground roasted spices, add about 2 tablespoons of black salt, 1.5 tablespoons of dried mango powder, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. For an extra layer of freshness, consider adding half a teaspoon of dried mint powder. Mix everything thoroughly until all the spices are evenly combined, creating a harmonious flavor profile. Finally, proper storage is key to maintaining the potency of your homemade salad masala. Transfer your freshly prepared spice blend into a clean, airtight container. Store it in a cool, dark pantry or cupboard, away from direct sunlight and moisture. When stored correctly, your masala will retain its vibrant flavor and aroma for up to 3 to 4 weeks. Enjoy sprinkling 1 to 2 teaspoons over your favorite salads, fruits, or even roasted vegetables for an instant flavor boost.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.